Welcome to your first development log on YouTube. I'm Flo, the producer of the game Stone Reverie, and I want to introduce you in the game mechanics, which is the behavior of the character in the world in general. I think for the first devlog I want you to show at first the character and all its basic abilities with the combat system. I start with a quick overview of what we already have implemented, and then I talk a little bit more about the mechanics in general. Okay, let's start. Walking, running, crouching, balancing, dashing, the character physics, punching, kicking, X attack 1, X attack 2, spear attack 1, spear attack 2, bow shooting, fly behavior, spear throwing, combo attacks, for walking, crouching and running we have two different modes. The first mode is the standard mode where the character follows the camera and always rotates with it. The second mode is the aim mode. When the character is aiming with any kind of items or even fists, he is always pointing at his aim point and play a different animation from forward, backward, sideways. The player can aim with the mouse button when he presses it down. We thought balancing an object could be interesting and can play a big part of the gameplay. We also implemented the combat system while balancing an object, which could be really fun in multiplayer. The character physics are basically a rock doll which is all the time active. We can simulate with it all kind of physics interaction with the character. It can be not easy in multiplayer to implement all this physics, but we try our best to create a good multiplayer. We can also simulate drunk characters and also imbalance of all kind of muscles of this character. And we also think currently about a way to simulate stamina value of the character with this physics, so that he realistically gets out of energy when we run too fast or dash too often. To fight the enemy we have implemented a combat system. Every weapon has two attacks. The first when the player presses the mouse button once, and the second when the player presses it twice. How the attacks affect the enemy is not clear now. At first we have implemented a damage backwards, but we are looking for more variations. Some items can be equipped with both hands, which means the character can also make combos by pressing the left and right mouse button with his own personal combo. The projectile shooting with items like a bow or a spear is made out of two parts. The first the projectile aiming, which always have the helper trajectory line to show where the projectile is flying. The second part is the fly mode, which only works on arrows. In this mode the player can control slightly the direction of the arrow. Thank you for watching our first development log. Check out the links in the description for more information. Also like and subscribe this channel. This will help and support the development. Thanks and bye to the next video.